Our research project is termed APICS, Analysis and Inverse Problems for Controlling Signals. In the large, we deal with system identification. Systems, of course, are manifold. They can be like magnetometers or measurement devices from physics. They can be electric circuits, but they can also be the system of blood vessels in the human body. They can be the climate of the Earth. They can be a telecommunication network. So in all this variety, we deal mainly with electromagnetic systems. To identify the system means to deduce from measurements of its inputs and outputs some quantitative laws of its functioning. These problems are called inverse because they are opposed to the direct problem of simulating the system, knowing the law. The contribution by APICS deals mainly with the design of microwave devices like multiplexers, which are used on satellite to process the broadcast of the signal, like television signals or GPS signals or internet type of signals. We also own some algorithm to detect electric or magnetic sources from measurement of the fields, which should prove useful in electroencephalography or paleomagnetism. I feel a growing complexity and a tendency for frontiers of domain to get blurred. In fact, the skyrocketing development of technology has produced a maze of data to analyze and therefore a maze of inverse problems to solve. Of course, this is in trend with the human aspiration to predict the future. Inverse problems to be dealt with are tricky because the computer power is not enough to solve them. They are also ill-posed. In other words, usually quite different systems can give rise on some instances to close to identical outputs. There will be a need of development of mathematical analysis and probability theory to handle such phenomena. Well, we are a restless type of workers where dreams seldom come true, but one could say that systems are governed by functions, and functions are far more complex than numbers. Perhaps it would be great, at least for systems of the type we look at, like electromagnetic systems, that computer come to be able to deal with functions almost as easily as they deal with numbers.